Dubai Mall Aquarium, also known as the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, is one of the largest suspended aquariums in the world. Located in the Dubai Mall, it is a major attraction for tourists and locals alike, offering a unique and immersive underwater experience. The aquarium. The Dubai Aquarium features a massive tank with a capacity of 10 million liters, housing over 33,000 aquatic animals from over 140 species. One of the most impressive aspects of the aquarium is its 270-degree acrylic walk-through tunnel, which provides visitors with an almost 360-degree view of the aquatic life. This tunnel allows visitors to feel as if they are walking on the ocean floor, surrounded by sharks, rays, and a multitude of colorful fish. Underwater Zoo. Above the main aquarium, the Underwater Zoo offers an educational journey through three ecological zones: rainforest, rocky shore, and living ocean. Each zone is designed to mimic the natural habitats of the animals it houses. Highlights of the Underwater Zoo include the king croc, one of the largest crocodiles in captivity, and a variety of exotic creatures such as otters, piranhas, and penguins. Special experiences. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo offers several special experiences for those seeking a more hands-on adventure. These include shark dives. Certified divers can dive into the tank and swim with sharks. Cage snorkeling. Visitors can snorkel in a secure cage within the tank, providing a close encounter with marine life. Glass-bottom boat rides. For a unique perspective, visitors can take a ride on a glass-bottom boat and observe the creatures below. Behind-the-scenes tours. These tours offer a glimpse into the operations and care of the animals. Conservation and education. The Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo places a strong emphasis on conservation and education. It actively participates in breeding programs and research projects aimed at preserving marine biodiversity. Educational programs and interactive exhibits are designed to raise awareness about marine conservation issues among visitors, particularly school groups. Visitor experience. The Dubai Mall Aquarium is not just an exhibit, it's an interactive experience that leaves a lasting impression on visitors. From the awe-inspiring sights of marine life in the massive tank to the engaging and educational displays in the Underwater Zoo, it offers a unique combination of entertainment and education. The Dubai Mall itself, being one of the largest shopping malls in the world, adds to the overall experience with its wide array of dining, shopping, and entertainment options, making a visit to the aquarium part of a larger day of exploration and fun.